Hi everyone, Chef Brian along with Chef Patrick from Monogram Appliances. We're going to talk to you today about the Monogram Induction Cooktop, but more specifically, one of our favorite features, which is the Precision Cooking Probe. Now we love the probe because it allows you to set and hold a temperature anywhere from 100 to 200 degrees. Now, years ago when we launched the induction cooktop, I really fell in love with it. And then when we came out with the probe, we started thinking, what can we do with it? Well, the obvious choice was to sous vide, which is vacuum seal your food, put it in a water bath, and hold it at a temperature to finish cooking later. We also used it to poach eggs with our group. Because poaching eggs is tough, you want to get that water temperature just right, and that worked perfectly. Patrick came on a few years ago, also fell in love with the probe, and started doing a couple of different things with it, right?
Yeah, precision cooking is a game changer on our induction cooktop. I started playing around with using fat. So I used, duck fat for some duck confit. Came out perfect, works really well. I set that at 180 degrees, it goes for about 6 hours. Then I moved on to a rack of lamb and extra virgin olive oil, lots of aromatics in there. Set that at 130, let it go for about 4 hours. And then I went to the lobster tail, butter poached lobster tail. Everybody loves it. Set that temperature at 130 degrees in what's called a beurre monte, which is butter that's emulsified with a little bit of water. Poach that lobster for about 20 minutes, comes out perfect every time. Really takes the guesswork out of your cooking. All right, we're going to use the Monogram Precision Cooking Probe on the induction cooktop. I'm going to show you how to turn that on and get connected. First, I'm going to hold that side button for 3 seconds. This turns the device on and we get that flash. Then I'm going to select my burner. I'm going to turn that on. I'm going to hit Precision Cooking. It tells me to tap the cookware. I'm going to give that one quick tap on the side, and then I can drag my finger along like that to set the temperature. I can also use the controls, the plus and the minus, or I can tap in different areas. So if we wanted to set this at 150 degrees, boom, right there we're set at 150. That probe is going to talk directly to this cooktop, and that water is going to hold exactly at 150 degrees.